A lot of people have been asking me, how do we stay positive in the current situation? The power of positive thinking, however underestimated, is a very, very valuable tool. It's the one thing that can help you get out of this current situation with a very, very positive, confident, and optimistic mindset. But how do we stay positive, you ask? Some simple tips for staying positive. Number one, use positive affirmations. What are positive affirmations? Positive affirmations are certain statements which we say to ourselves. It helps get into our subconscious and tell us that we are successful, we are happy, and we're okay in general. Take a notebook, note down all the points that you feel about yourself, of course in a very, very positive manner. Write down your strengths, write down your competencies, write down your skills, write down why you feel you are important, write down why you feel you are likable, write down why you feel you are successful. Keep updating this diary on a weekly basis. Over a period of a few months, at least one diary should get full. When you read through this diary, you'll understand the achievements that you've made in your life, all the successes that you have achieved in your life. You'll understand what is it that makes you you. You'll understand what is it that makes you valuable. Keep adding to this diary year on year, and finally you have a book, you have a diary of your achievements. Do not underestimate the power of this step. It's a very, very important step to get your subconscious positive and motivated. Focus on the present. The past is not something which we can do anything about, neither is the future. The only thing you actually have in your control or in your hands is the present. So use this gift that you have and focus only and only on the present moment. Focus on the good things, no matter how small they are. Fill your life with gratitude. Keep something with you which reminds you how beautiful things are, how thankful you are for various things around you. Do not sulk about things which you don't have. Don't sulk about the situation. Don't sulk about what life has not given you. Instead, focus on the various things that life has given you. Focus on the various things that you have achieved. Focus on everything that you have. Spend 2 minutes on this daily on a gratitude morning routine. Find positive friends, mentors, and co-workers. Just like negativity, positivity is also contagious. Just like the coronavirus, positivity is also contagious. Find people who are very, very positive. Find people who rub positivity onto you. Find people who talk a lot of positive things. This way, your mindset will also remain positive. The more you stay around people who sulk, the more you stay around people who complain, the more you stay around people who are negative, it's a huge chance that your mind will also turn negative. So remember, find positive friends, mentors, and co-workers and stick to them. All of us are facing various trying situations right now. We're managing our work from home, and a lot of times our housework is also getting intertwined with our office work. A lot of us are in a lot of trying situations. A lot of us are feeling troubled. A lot of us are feeling frustrated. A lot of us are feeling overworked. See humor in these situations. Try to crack a joke or two with your co-workers. Try to have a good laugh with your family. Try to watch a comedy movie. Try to watch something funny. Try to watch some funny videos. Make some funny memories. Make some humorous memories. Try to laugh as much as possible with your loved ones. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. This situation is volatile, it's uncertain, it's completely complex, and it's very, very ambiguous. In this situation, nobody really knows what to do. Nobody really knows how to work. Everybody is very, very new and is just adjusting and adapting to the current situation. Do not be afraid to make mistakes. Of course, give a lot of thought to whatever you do. However, if you feel that there is something which you want to do with good intention, if you feel there is something that will work, go ahead with full confidence. These are certain things which will help you tide over the current situation. Of course, it's not really enough to cover everything in a short video. Follow these steps from time to time, and whenever you need any support, you know we are always with you in your search for excellence.